Real data doesn't arrive as scheme lists. It arrives as JSON from an API, a CSV someone exported from a spreadsheet, or a TOML config file. Kaappi has a small library for each, and they share one very convenient idea that makes moving between them almost free. These live outside the core, so we pull them in with Kaappi's package manager, TOML. One command each, and they're available to import. We'll dig into packaging properly in a later episode. Today, we just want the tools. Here's JSON going in, and here's what comes out. An association list, the alist from Season 1. Each key value pair becomes a pair, so a JSON object is just a list of them. No special object type to learn. It's data you already know how to walk. The rest follows the same instinct. An array becomes a list. True and false become schemes booleans. Numbers become numbers. Strings become strings. JSON's null becomes the symbol null. There's a JSON null question mark if you'd rather ask than compare. And because it's an alist, reading a field is just a sock. Find the pair, take its CDR. Nested data needs nothing new either. The tag's key holds a list, and it behaves like any other list. Going the other way is the mirror image. Hand JSON write string and a list, and you get JSON text. Read it, change it, write it back. CSV by default gives you a list of rows, each row a list of strings, including the header row. But add headers true, and something better happens. It uses the first row as keys and hands back one alist per record. Now instead of remembering that role is column 2, you just ask for role. And quoted fields with commas inside are handled for you. TOML is the config file format. It's what Kaappi's own package manifests use. Same story. You get alists back, with a table becoming a nested one. toml-ref reaches in one level, and toml-ref star walks a path. Server, then port, 8080. Ask for something that isn't there, and you get false, so a missing setting is easy to default. And here's why the shared shape matters so much. Read the CSV with headers. That's a list of alists. Hand that straight to JSON write string, and it's a JSON array of objects. A CSV to JSON converter, and the conversion itself is one line, because both libraries already speak alists. No glue code, no translation layer. And once it's a list of alists, Season 1's tools take over. Map a lookup across the rows, and you've extracted a column. It's all just lists again. JSON, CSV, TOML, 3 formats, 1 shape. They all become alists, so a SOS reads them, map transforms them, and converting between them is nearly free. Next time we go on the network, fetching from the web, and standing up a little server of our own. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.